I'm Miss Hayes.
Hey, I'm Miss Hannah.
Welcome to math in 7th grade. We will be your math teachers. We are making a short little video to talk to you about our expectations and our procedures for your digital learning experience on Canvas.
Be sure that you pay close attention because there will be a quiz at the end of this video. Expectation number 1. We expect you to log on every single day during your class time. So that means if you have math first period, you need to log on at 7:45 a.m. If you have math third period, 9:44 a.m. If you have math fifth period, you need to be online by 12:21 p.m. and sixth period by 1:34. It is super important that you log on every day and you keep up with your daily assignments so that you're always caught up and you don't have so much work to try to do at one time. If you need help, it's also important that you're online during your class time because you can email your teacher directly through Canvas and we will immediately be able to help you. If you are working on your work at 8 o'clock at night, you're not going to be able to get a hold of us to help you right then, so it's so important that you are on during your class time.
Expectation number 2, complete work on time. So your work is due every Friday by midnight. What that means is if your work is incomplete for that week, you are absent from school. So you need to make sure that you are completing that week's work on time. Also, that following Monday, so for example, this week's work will be due by Friday, but I won't be taking roll until the 17th, that Monday. When I take roll and count you absent, it gets reported in what used to be Power School, but now is Aspen. It will be reported as an absence. If you have more than the allotted absences, then truancy could be called. So this is important that you're doing your work on time. Now, if you don't do it on time and it's incomplete, that doesn't mean we're not going to accept it late. We will accept late work. However, points will be deducted if it's late. So, very important, complete your digital work on time.
Expectation number 3, do your assignments in order. When you log on to Canvas and you click on that big banner that you're going to see on the homepage that says, click here for weekly assignments, that's going to bring you to all of your assignments for the whole week. Those assignments are listed in order and it is super important that you do them in that order. Don't skip around. Don't try to cram them all into one day. Do them each day in the order that they are listed. Even if you don't think it's important, you still need to do it because if we put it on there, that means that we think it's important for you to do it. So you need to do every assignment in the order that they are listed and try to do each day on that day of the week so that you're not stuck trying to do 5 days worth of work at the end of the week.
All right, expectation number 4, bring your math notebook with you. What that means is every time you sit down at the computer, you need to bring your math notebook with you, okay? Now, if you came to orientation, then you should have received a math notebook. If you were not able to make it to orientation, we have some in the front office at Sevier. So you can come by and grab a math notebook from the front office. Now, it's kind of important that you do that because we have already put together so many of the things for you. For example, a place to put your name, my name or Miss Hannah's name, class periods. There are also some papers that we're going to be working with that are on the inside. Don't touch these. Don't take them out. We're going to be working with them, okay? Also, some math notebooks already have a tab in them, and if you don't have a tab, you can use tape, you can use a Post-it, something like that, because the front of your notebook is designed for notes. The back of your notebook is designed for your work, okay? So, we've already kind of done this for you, so if you come to Sevier and get a math notebook, you can already have it set up for you. Okay, now if you can't make it to Sevier, you could just use a regular notebook, but it's kind of nice when your teachers do some of the work for you.
Expectation number 5, Canvas inbox for all of your questions. You can find the Canvas inbox on the green taskbar on the left side of your Canvas page at any time. No matter what you are doing on Canvas, you'll be able to see the Canvas inbox. This inbox is like raising your hand in class. Anytime that you have a question during your class time, you just click on that inbox and you send me or Ms. Hayes a question, and we will answer it right away, just like we would if you raised your hand in class. If you have questions outside of class time, know that we will answer them, but it may not be until the next day. So it is really important that you are doing your work during your class time so that you can just shoot us a question and we can answer it for you right away, and you can keep working and you won't be stuck. So be sure to do your work during your class time and to shoot us your questions on the Canvas inbox. We also have office hours from 9 to 9:40 in the morning. So that's another time that you'll be able to get immediate responses for us. But again, if it is after school hours, you can still send us your questions, but we just may not get back to you until the next day.
Expectation number 6, Google Meetings on Mondays. The math department all across the school will be meeting on Mondays to go over content, answer any questions, all of the things that you're going to need for in-person teaching. Now, if you are in math for first period on Monday, then you will be doing your Google meeting at 7:45 in the morning. I know, it's pretty early, but 7:45, we will be available for a Google meeting. For third period, math, you will be meeting at 9:44 on Mondays. For fifth period math, you will be meeting at 12:21 on Mondays. And then last period, sixth period, you'll be meeting at 1:34 on Mondays for math. Now, what will happen is on Canvas, we will have a link to the Google meeting. It will be in your weekly assignment. So all you have to do is go to that big banner at the bottom of Canvas page, click there for your weekly assignment. It'll say Google Meetings. You click there, and there will be a link for your Google meeting. Okay? So hopefully that's not too difficult to find.
All right, guys, expectation number 7. A Google meeting is like school. Act like it. That means when it is time for you to log on, you need to be away in your house in a quiet space where you don't have any distractions. So that means no cell phone in your lap, no dog, nobody else in the room with you if you can, so that you can be fully engaged in our class setting. You also need to look appropriate. You need to have on some clothes. If I can't wear my PJs, you don't need to wear your PJs either. Remember, it's like you're at school. So you want to bring your supplies with you, bring your math notebook, go to a quiet space, go to the link on Canvas that says Google Meetings, and join us on Monday.